Okay, new rule. Check all AC wall wart adapters before using them. I plugged the dartboard game back in using the AC adapter that came with it, the one designed for it. Well, came with it. 9 volt, 500 milliamps. Plugged it in. See, when I had the board on the bench, I was running off my lab power supply at 9 volts, so I had good stable 9 volt power. Everything worked fine. So I thought, okay, let's plug it back in here. I plugged in the wall wart, and it started acting up again. The video started dropping out, literally just stopped working for a while. Did all kinds of weird stuff. So, pulled the wall wart out, put it on the meter. It's putting out 14.4, 15 volts, somewhere in that range. Nowhere near 9. So I'm guessing the voltage regulator on this board saw that, got angry, and said, okay, I stop. And guess what happens? No worky. So I grabbed a 9 volt adapter. You know, all those wall warts that you keep from everything in the past and end up in a box somewhere and you have no idea if you're going to need them again someday? I did. So pulled one out, checked it, 9 volts. It was center positive, didn't matter though, because I had to swap this out the end because this has a weird jack on it. It's like an 1/8 audio jack almost, which I might replace that with a barrel. Anyways, so put the, made one up, put the end on it, plugged it in, checked it, 9.18 volts, perfect. It says it's rated to 850 milliamps, which is actually better than the one that came with it. So plug it in, turn it on, and guess what is just completely working now? This has been on for about an hour, no video problems. So, it's not interference, it's not memory, nothing. Just a freaking AC wall wart that wasn't working, putting out too much voltage. There it is. So I'm gonna reassemble it, put it back together, put it in the arcade cabinet, and see what happens. Maybe it'll hold now. Laters.